Hello, it is Saturday afternoon and we are just hanging out. Did not get sleep last night again. See, normally, I guess the reason why I'm talking about it so much is because I had a really bad sleeper with my second baby, Zach. He didn't even sleep through the night until he was like 4.5 years old. Years, not months. Come on, come on. So, anyways, ooh, bright. I'm not used to not getting sleep, so it's just been hard the last few weeks with not getting any sleep. It was actually because Griffin ran into my leg. It's because Aniston was actually up all night with an upset tummy. She has a sensitive stomach, and if she'll eat something that doesn't agree with her, she's either up using the bathroom or throwing up all night. Luckily, she was not throwing up last night, but gosh, I'd almost prefer that because she was up like every 30 minutes. So anyways, we're just hanging out, doing a little housework and yard work. So yep, that's our day. Hi, Libby. They're down there trying to figure out the sprinklers. You should get your swimming suit on, bud.
What?
You should get your swimming suit on.
What?
I said you should get your swimming suit on.
Oh. Yeah.
Hey, bud. It's a beautiful day, huh? Just waiting for Ben to come back out. Ben, why are you in your swimsuit?
Because I wanted to go in this, the hot tub.
Well, how come you're not in it?
Because it's too cold.
Oh. Are you going to go dry off in the sun?
Except there was a button underwater.
You hit the button and it made the water spray everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you going to do now?
Go in the hot tub.
You're going to go back in the hot tub?
Yeah, but it's too cold. Back up there. Come here, Griffin. Griff?
Say, go like this. Come. Say
Come.
that. And go like this on your leg.
Come.
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 Say, Griffin, come.
Griffin, come. I think it's
Ew.
over here.
Did you drop a rock, Griffin?
And here it is.
Yeah, best friends. You see him? He's telling Griffin to get something because he's scared of it. What is it? Is it a bug?
No, come, Dad. There's something I need to show you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump in! Do it! Get in. I'll let Griffin wash his feet to get in. Okay, I'm not gonna.
Oh, the baby's just sad. Griffin, sit. Sit. Griffin, sit. Sit. Look at me. Griffin, look at me. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Griffin, sit.
He just comes over and wags his tail.
Sit. Boy.
Lay down.
Lay down. Good boy. Play dead. Play dead. Good boy. That's a good boy.
That's everything you say. He loves you.
You're a good boy, aren't you, Graf?
No, not me.
Yeah, I was going to see this baby. Wait, she's standing up. She just came over here and stood up. Hi. I hope you're not eating something off the floor. Give me that mouth. Give me that mouth. Oh, I'm sorry. She just wanted to snuggle. I think she's tired.
Oh, I'm getting. Oh, there's a hole.
You getting dressed? Oh, now she wants to go play with you because you're in her car seat. She thinks it's funny. Is that funny? Is it showing you? Is it showing Ben? Ben, let me see your outfit you put on.
Look at the tag. The tag is it.
Yeah, I think it's right. It's just twisted.
No.
And your shirt's on backwards, but I think your pants are just twisted.
No? No, Mom, he put them on backwards.
So your shorts... No, they're not backwards. They're right.
Look inside.
Let me see. Let me see. They're just twisted. There you go. Those are right. Your shirt's on backwards, but that's okay. Good job. I think we're almost in trouble. So it is Saturday night and I was just at a church meeting. It's such a beautiful night. Anyways, Gavin and Zach are just about to leave to go to hockey. Whoops. And I am going to end the vlog here. And I will just see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay. Let me. I just have to say something. She's distracted by her shadow. Just like picture.
That face.
That's you, lips.
Say goodnight to her.
Libby. Good night. She's so pretty.
Libby. Hello, it's Sunday afternoon. Actually evening. Actually, maybe it would be considered night. What time is it? 6:30. Anyway, I made some, I don't think you can see them. Let me turn on the light. Some pinto beans and some Mexican brown rice. The kids ate sandwiches. We're about to eat some dinner and go to bed. Kids are anyway. Also, I was just snacking on some of these. These are, okay, it looks backwards to me. I think it's just backwards. Yeah, it will be backwards because I'm doing the face. Let me show you. Dried pineapple things from Costco. They're really good. They have a ton of sugar, but that's just natural sugar. Anyway, just kind of a good substitute instead of like fruit snacks for your kids. So we're gonna see if Ben likes these beans that I made. You wanna try our beans? You wanna try the beans, Ben? Come look at them and tell me what you think. Come here. You coming? Come on, come around. Right here. Come, 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 come. Here. They're like those beans that you eat at, what's it called? Want to blow on it? Make sure it's not hot. Too hot? Try again. Still too hot? Well, just eat it. What do you think about it? They're pretty good. And it only took, I cooked it with like some broth and some garlic and some salt. I think that's it. And put in 1 pound of beans and 5.5 cups liquid. Cooked it on high pressure for 50 minutes. And then I turned it on again for 10 minutes because they weren't done yet. And they're good. So an hour for beans, that's pretty good. Instant Pot for the win.